Today we'll be unboxing the new DJI OSMO Action 5 Pro. Compared to the previous generation, this camera has a 4nm high performance chip which helps with the improved battery life and faster write speeds. The Action 5 Pro now comes dive rated up to 20 meters depth without any case, and it has professional air pressure and water pressure gauge to compute the height and depth. Now DJI claims that the camera battery lasts up to 4 hours, but it is in a controlled environment and only in specific resolution and frame rate. We will also do some real-life testing to understand how the battery actually performs. It also has subject tracking enabled to help you utilize the same clips for vertical format. There are a lot more features which we will discuss in an in-depth review video. Now let's unbox this beast. In the standard combo, you get an accessories box and the camera itself. There is a DJI Store QR code and some silica gel. Now first going through the accessories box. You get 3 items in this. First is some documentation and some DJI stickers. Second is USB-C to USB-C charging and transfer cable. Third is this gauge. Within this gauge you have a thumb screw, curved mount, magnetic mount, some spacers and a battery. The battery this time is 1950 mAh. Next we have the camera itself. On one side you get the USB-C charging mic slot with red rubber rings. On the other side you have the battery and SD card compartment. On the bottom side you have the magnetic mount slot. The magnetic mount is pretty solid and grips the camera properly. It isn't that easy to remove this mount. The mount works with a combination of magnet and clips on both sides. The camera fits in the cage in a really snug manner, and this cage provides some extra protection against the falls. Also, with this cage you can mount the camera vertically to capture some short format videos. With this, the unboxing is completed. I tried turning the camera on, but it requires an update by pairing to the application. Stay tuned for more details on the camera and a detailed review.